Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer domains with GoDaddy to boost your online business. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin the transfer process by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the Domains section from the dashboard. Select the domain you wish to transfer. Check the domain's status to ensure it is unlocked. If the domain is locked, click on the Settings tab to unlock it. Next, locate the Authorization Code option. Request the authorization code, which will be sent to your registered email. Copy the authorization code for use in the upcoming steps. Now, prepare to import the domain to the new registrar. Log into your account with the new registrar. Begin the transfer process by entering your domain name. Paste the authorization code when prompted. Verify that the domain is eligible for transfer. Complete any necessary payment for the transfer fee. Monitor your email for confirmation of the transfer request. Once confirmed, the new registrar will initiate the transfer process. Keep an eye on both emails as you may receive additional instructions. The transfer can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. During this period, it is crucial to maintain communication with both registrars. After the transfer is complete, verify the domain's new status. Ensure all DNS settings are correctly configured for uninterrupted service. Finally, enjoy the benefits of your new registrar and boost your online business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.